Hello, in this video we will continue reading from the file. If you remember from the last video, we had a scanner object to read from a file, and I said in.txt, and let's look at the in.txt. We have two integers and we read them, so we open that, and then we read two integers and we display them on the screen. Okay, so now let's consider this. What if I try to read one more integer? So let me say n3 and okay, next int. Okay, and also let's display them. So let me just say n1, n2, and n3. Okay, now let's see what happens. If I run it, okay, I got exception. What does it say? Okay, so here it says, so let me do this. Okay, it says no such element exception. Okay, so which means we reach to the end of the file, so we read two of them, and after that there is no another integer. So so we can handle that. So that is one possibility. There is another way to do this by using the has so has next int, has next line. So for example, I can say if so before trying to read, we can check that. We can say if fin, okay, if has next int, okay, has next int. It says if there is another integer, then read it. Otherwise, do not try to read it. Okay. So here we can do this. Actually, let me just declare it outside. Otherwise, this will not be recognized. Int n3 and just do this. Okay. If there is another integer, okay, so this returns a boolean, true or false, and then so it says it may not have been initialized. Okay, yes. So let's assign 0 to keep the compiler happy. Okay, so next int. So we assign it to n3, and then we can just display that on the screen. Okay, so here, so as you see, it is 0. But if we put number 6, so now let me run it. Okay, now it says 6. So it reads 6 and assign to here. Then it displays 6. And instead of getting like this, just 3 of them, and let's say we might have multiple numbers. So 8 and then 14, okay, 53, and so on. So let's read all of them and display them on the screen. So to do this, we can have a while loop. So I can say while fin has next int, okay, next int, and keep reading. So if we have next int, so let me just have a int, let me just say num, okay, num, okay, and in here I will say if it has next int, so fin next int, okay, so this returns an integer, and let me just okay, so let me just do this. okay, num equals to this one, and let me just display it on the screen. So after I read it successfully, system out print line, and let me just display it now. Okay, so I do that, and then I say, is there another integer? If yes, I go in here, read it, and display it on the screen. So I can just get rid of all of these. Okay, what else? So, and after I am done, I just close the close this one. Okay, close the stream. Okay, now let's see how this works. If I run it, okay, it worked. So I read one integer at a time, and then I just display them on the screen. Okay, so as you see in the while loop, I just keep reading on as long as there is integer. By the way, if we have something non-integer, okay, so instead of 14 caret, so now let's see what happens. Okay, so so there is no integer anymore. It did not throw the exception, and then it just finished, and then we close it. Okay, because this returns false, and there is no exception thrown in this case. I hope this is clear. Have a nice day.